How to connect your Android phone to a Windows PC. This tutorial shows you how to link your devices so you can access your phone directly from your computer. First, swipe down from the top of your Android device to open the Quick panel. From there, find the Link to Windows tile and tap it to turn it on. After that, head over to your PC and open the Phone Link app. If you don't have it, it comes pre-installed on Windows 11, so just search for it in the Start menu. At this point, if this is your first time setting it up, PhoneLink will ask you to choose your device type. Select Android from the options. Following this, your PC will display a QR code on the screen. After that, go back to your phone and tap Scan QR code to scan the code shown on your PC. This is the quickest way to pair the two devices without having to sign in manually. At this stage, once the QR code is scanned, your phone and PC will begin linking. Give it a moment to complete the connection. Finally, once connected, you'll be able to access your messages, calls, notifications, photos, and even your phone screen directly from your PC without picking up your phone. Keep in mind that both devices need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the best experience, and you'll need to be signed in to the same Microsoft account on your PC. That's how you connect your Android phone to a Windows PC. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.